Hi there guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com and welcome to this Jobiin review. So here I am on the sales page here. It says dead simple software makes us $328 a day commission by creating simple self-updating job sites in just 60 seconds. Today we're going to take a look at that. We're going to see inside the dashboard what it looks like. So before we do, drop a like, subscribe and turn on that bell if you want to be updated with new videos coming out like this all the time. Also, if you want to skip ahead at any moment, go in the description, click next to that green check mark. It will fast forward you to a part of the video I think one or two of you out there might be interested in. So first off, just know that this product is launching on Warrior Plus, and a lot of the products released on there are targeted or are targeting and marketed to an audience which is known to have what is called shiny object syndrome. That might be you. It did kind of used to be me. And also note that most of the other reviews surrounding mine, these people are financially incentivized to promote this and say it's really great, even though they're not using it. They're just professional affiliates. So do be wary of the motivations of most of those reviews. Okay, so now that you know a little bit more about what's going on, let's jump in. So here I am on the dashboard. So this is going to be my first effort that you can kind of watch along with. And what it's going to do is help us to create job sites. Okay, so I assume what's going to happen is we're going to build a site. The site is going to pull jobs in from other job sites that have affiliate programs, and then if anyone, I guess, signs up to those sites or our site, we get commission. Okay, so that's what I think. What I don't know is how we're going to get traffic. So that's always the million-dollar question. So I did have access to this, but it broke. So initially, not such a great sign there. So let's go through the demo that they created, because the formula they're following, it's actually very easy to break down. They did have a product like this that they put out in the past called Academio, and it follows a similar formula of like kind of pulling links from other sites into your site. So really it's acting like you're building a site basically that's just full of affiliate links, okay, that looks or mimics another site. So if you, for example, were to mimic Udemy.com, okay, it's like that, except if people go directly to Udemy and click a link, you know, they just buy it through Udemy. But what these sites are doing is allowing you to copy that site and make all the links affiliate links, okay? So if anyone clicks on anything, you know, you get commission. The problem is driving traffic, okay? So the first product they put out a little while ago was kind of mimicking learning sites, and now this is building a mimicking job site. So I have a few qualms about this, so I'll show you what I mean.
Steps. 1, add your details to begin with. Enter the business name, upload logo, and enter email ID for your own branding on the website. 2, enter.
So this is basically you're setting up how your website is going to look. So giving it a title, you know, description, metadata, or whatever. The next step here is putting in your CareerJet affiliate ID. So this is going to set up links for you. So if anyone clicks something, this is how you get paid.
Your affiliate IDs. Enter your free job site affiliate ID to make commissions, or add ClickBank, JVZoo, or any other affiliate ID to monetize it better. 3, publish and profit.
Okay, so step 3, publish and profit. Well, publish, yes. Profit, no. And this is where most products like this kind of fall short. Because while the site might look nice, who's going to see it? Are you going to rank for the duplicate content that you're pulling off other sites? No, because Google doesn't like that. So that kind of knocks organic traffic out of the way. You could run ads if you know how to run ads, but you know, that's spending more money. So if you don't want to spend more money after you get this, then, you know, maybe it's not for you. Organic traffic. Well, you're going to have to go out there and play the organic traffic game. You're going to have to build a social media account that is going to enable you to drive enough traffic that is going to click on these links and make revenue for you. And that's, funnily enough, it's where most products fall short, because they don't tell you how to get the traffic, but the traffic is the most important and most difficult thing, okay? People pay thousands, you know, for traffic, because organic traffic is so difficult. So if you don't have an audience, what you're going to find is that you create this site that might look great, might be the best looking, most beautiful website that exists. But if you have no traffic source, if you have no audience on social media, in your email list, if you're not willing to pay, nobody is going to see this. It's just going to be another site in a blank space in the corner of the internet, okay? So if you are going to go down this route, ensure that you have a traffic source. Otherwise, this is not going to just publish and profit. It's not.
Publish your first ever profitable self-updating job site and earn affiliate commission on autopilot on every click. It's easy, fast, and built with love. With Jobiin, you can do much more. First, you can build professional and beautiful. Why Site Builder? That auto posts 10 million plus jobs.
So it looks like it's pulling from something like Fiverr or Upwork, so it will update continually. But what you need to do is to get people to go to your site and not go to Fiverr or Upwork. Okay, that's the real kicker.
From world's biggest companies like Amazon, Walmart, Apple, and thousands of others.
Okay, now they're just kind of name dropping because, you know, all of these sites, if you search by big company names, you can display jobs there. Okay, people know this.
All you need to do is enter your business name, upload logo, and your email ID for your own branding on the website. The best part, you can do it all right from the comfort of your home. You can sell your own products or affiliate products and monetize your site into $1 million online business.
$1 million online business is going to require you to get a lot of traffic and a lot of sales. So
get free organic traffic from 20 plus social media platforms.
Okay, this is interesting. How are you going to get free traffic from 20 social media platforms?
Integrated with Jobiin.
Now a lot of products do this. When they get to the traffic, they know it's difficult and they kind of get stuck. So they do this little thing where they say, you can share it, you can get social traffic. And then the answer to this social traffic is they just give you share buttons. So if you share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on Pinterest, email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, it doesn't matter. If you don't have an audience on these social media platforms, sharing does not equal traffic. A lot of these product sellers, they're like, you can share on 1,000 different networks. Well, it doesn't matter, because if you don't have a following on them, then no one's going to see it there either. Okay? You got to understand that sharing does not equal traffic. We've pretty much got the gist of it here. Well, look at this guy throwing a bunch of money that he's made. Okay, that's like a bit much. We've got the gist of it. So the point is, you need traffic still. They don't solve that traffic riddle. So let's go through the sales page now. Let's look for a couple of red flags that I spotted before. So here it makes them $328 a day. Well, they might have an audience, so that has nothing to do with you. Still not $1 million business, is it? So we come down, they make it sound super easy, which I always think is a red flag. Already products that are supposed to make you money from clicking a couple of buttons, already a red flag for me. The 3-step process is a red flag. Add your details, enter affiliate, publish and profit. It's not true. Now this is the first major red flag. So here they're like, we made 10,239 last month, right? And they have like these results here. This isn't even the same name as this product, Jobiin. But the real red flag is that on their last product, a month or so ago, is they showed exactly the same testimonial. So here they're like, this is sales we got recently, and they've done this. And then on this one, this is sales we got recently, same numbers. So, like, which one is the lie? Because one of them is. Okay, they've been too lazy to do their fake numbers. Here again, they've been too lazy. So here, this guy Drake Lewis, who's all for testimonials, so they haven't updated their page yet before the release date. Same guy made a ton of money with this product as well and wrote exactly the same testimonial. So, you know, that's not a red flag. I don't know what is. The next red flag are these dollar amounts taken from Warrior Plus. I don't know how getting people to click on job sites gets you paid on Warrior Plus, because there ain't no job site on Warrior Plus, okay? So they've just taken numbers off a random site. They could be real, they could be from their other product sales, or as you can see on your screen right now, it's very easy to fake numbers. You know, I can do the same thing on Warrior Plus, right click, change the number, it deals to the style template, and it looks as good as a real number. Take a screenshot, boom, you know, free testimony, free earnings. Now the real red flag also comes on this funnel. So basically, if you didn't want to listen to me, you'd click to buy, you would buy it, your transaction would go through, you think you have this product that's going to create these sites for you, but then you'd be hit with this funnel out of nowhere. You'd be redirected after your payment goes through. And if you wanted a pro upgrade, there'll be probably a sales video on that, trying to upsell you. There'll be a downsell page, there'll be an authority upgrade, whatever that means, agency, resale license, and then some .com membership, whatever that means. Okay, so these funnels are built really just to, you know, hit your commitment consistency bias. When you make a decision, when you say yes to something, your brain likes momentum, it likes to think it's made the right decision, so you're more likely to just keep saying yes after you've said yes once. And that's the only reason these funnels are built like this. Nowhere else, you know, do people upsell you 5 or 6 or more pages long if they're not trying to do that. So I think this is a shiny object, guys. This is what I call like a theoretically sound product, but practically not sound product, meaning that it sounds good in theory, but in practicality, it doesn't work. And the reason it doesn't work is the same reason most of these shiny objects don't work. It's because they haven't solved the riddle of the traffic. So you can build a beautiful whatever, but there's no traffic going to it, which means no sales, okay? So I would avoid this one, guys. If you are serious about starting a business online, I know probably 1 or 2 you are, do click the link in the description, and that will take you through to another page where I will explain to you my Silver Spoon program, which you can now get started with absolutely free, and also join my community for free, which is currently up to about 125 members. So if you have any questions, you can jump in there. Don't take my word for it. Ask people what's going on. And yeah, if you found value in this video, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you inside the Silver Spoon community, where you can start doing something that works. Take care.